Why does your scanner show the P0435 engine code? What does it mean? P0435 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst temperature sensor circuit malfunction. Bank 2, Sensor 1. The P0435 engine code for Indicate the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an irregular or implausible voltage signal on the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connections, failed catalyst temperature sensor, engine misfires or improper fuel usage, exhaust leaks, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Hyundai, Subaru, Chevrolet, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.